Hi. In this short video we will show you, how can you use Ajaxify Prices to show the right price in a multi-currency shop, even if the page is cached. We are using Currency Switcher for WooCommerce plugin to show the price based on the visitor's location. Our test server is located in the US. So if we cache the shop page, we will see the prices in US dollars, because the server has a US IP. If we check the uncached page, we will see the prices in British pounds, because for European visitors the site will use pounds for prices. Now let's see how can we fix this issue. Go to Swift Performance Settings. Select Plugins tab. Click to WooCommerce. And in WooCommerce settings simply enable Ajaxify Prices. Now rebuild the cache, and check the result. If we refresh the cached shop page, we can see now the prices are loaded through Ajax and are in British pounds, as we expected. Let's check the page from a different browser, or we are using a US proxy. If we refresh the page, the prices will be loaded in US dollars now. Now let's see how it works. Open the Div Tools and go to the Network tab. We refresh the page and start scrolling. Just before the prices arrive to the viewport, Swift will load them via Ajax. By using Ajaxify Prices, you can forget about ugly dynamic cache URLs, which are better for SEO and also make your site load faster. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like the video, share, and subscribe.